So hello everybody, thanks for joining the brief and quick session to demonstrate the usage of GitHub. So I have listed certain steps. The first step is to create the account on this URL. So let's go there. So creating the account, it's very simple, very trivial. So I think there is no need to go into details. I have already created my login. So I'm there, and you people can see a lot of repositories I have created. So this is the first step, and then the next step is you need to download the software from this site. So let's go there. So the system automatically recognized like we are on Windows. So you go there and then click download, choose 64-bit JIT. So it's already being took by from the system. So you download it. It's 32 MB file. So I have already did this for you people. So installation is very simple. So this is the source. You double click. Yes. Next. Next. You can choose some objects, so you take the default. Next. Next. Take the default things. Don't look into anything. So you just install. Just let's wait a moment. So it's completed. So then we will see what's we be able to see here. Okay. You click here, then the command prompt will be there. So this is something very quick. You do the installation. So this is on my virtual machine because I have rights on this. So I'm going back, and I have the same thing on my local machine. So let's go there. Start it. Yeah. So I'm there. So let's see the next step. So once you did the installation, then you need to set your username and email. So let's see there what we have. So git config global user.name. So you will see like you seen like I have already like configured the username, and similarly you can check the email. And this email should be similar with the email which you have registered on the Git. So if you want to change anything, so you just write another name, Muhammad Sadiq 1, and that's it. So if you go there, now you see the name is different. So that's very simple. So you can put your name and email address on the JIT. So that's something. And next is you need to go and go to the folder demo where you have a source code. So let's assume like we have some folder, let's say on C, and let's create it. So Git demo. So this is the folder, maybe having a lot of documents. Let's create some documents. Let's say this is one document, and let's take PowerPoint. Let's take one document. So we have these three documents. So I created. So maybe you have some folder and you want to put the you want to register this folder as a repository. So let's see what we did. So pwd, we people are here. Move to C pwd, and you need to move to Git demo pwd. So we people are there. So if you try to see the listing, so we see the all the three documents. So no, we need to register this folder as a repository. So this is so simple. You just give this command git init. So you seen like immediately there is one folder with the extension .git is created. So that means the changes, all the things will be registered from here now onward. So that's something we completed. So I did this, and then I executed this command. Now next go to this Git status. So let's see that what we be able to get it. So Git status. So we seen like there are three documents already there, but with red color. So we need to add these three folders. Okay, so let's do it. So git status. So we need to add these documents if we want to track them. So how we can do that? We just give this command git add and then dot. So everything will be put on this. So git status. So you seen like the color is being changed. So no, we need to give the commit command. So git commit. This is -m stands for this is the message inline. So give the command first commit. So we did that. So I will answer to your questions later on. Just let me finish it first. So I take hardly 10 minutes. Then I will stop the recording and then answer your question. Please hold on for a while. So this is the first commit, and then there are different things like if you want to see the log, you can see log things. So put log here. Take a while. Yeah, so first commit. And there, if there are a lot of commits, lot of things you can do like this, log minus minus, and then one line. So results will be like this then. So that's something. Now we need to create the repository on the GitHub. So let's go there and then create the repository. So GitHub, start a project. Let's say Git demo. It's public because if you go to private, then you have to make the payment. So things will be private. So you create a repository. Yeah. So we created it. So if you click here, code, so nothing is, the files which you created locally are not visible to the repository on the GitHub. So let's go back. And the next step is you need to register your local repository through GitHub. So let's run this command. And you can get the command from here. So this is something. So you copy here and then go here, give command git remote add origin and then paste. Hit enter. So that's being registered. So that's something we did. Now we need to push everything to the online repository. So we put this command git push -u origin master. Yeah. So now if we go to the repository, you will refresh the page. You have seen all the files are being shown on the GitHub repository now. So okay. So another thing, let's try it. So let's make some changes. So open this folder, make some changes. Save the file. Yes. Go to Git. No. See status. So you notice like the Git recognize like there is some change on some document. So how we need to sync this change with the GitHub online repository as well. So how we can do that? So you just need to give the command again, git add dot. So all the files which are being changed or new files added, so all these will be added. So if you see the status again, so it's modified now. Okay. And then you need to give the git command, git commit -m second commit. Okay. And if you want to see the log, you can see that git log one line. So that will give you the details of everything. You take a moment. Yeah, so we have 2 commits. And now we're going to push. So once you have to give the different push command, later on it's simple. So you just give the command git push. Okay, so let's go to the repository now, and then let's go to there, and this is the document we made some changes. Go to history. So you've seen here like the first commit, the second commit, and if you want to see the contents, you can click here. So nothing here. So go back, go to the second commit. So you see some changes. So that's something. So this is the version control. You will be having the details of everything, and you can track this locally, and you can also track this on the github.com as well. So that's something. So but you want to schedule this thing. So how you can do that? You have to put these commands on a batch file, right? And then execute it. I did this for you people. So let me show you the file first. So this is something. Let me show you. So this is a folder, Git demo, and I am saying git add. So all the changes or new files will be added to the local repository, and then I'm pushing all the things to the git.com. So that's something. So I'm going to save it, and let's make some change. Let's make some change to the git demo. Let's make some changes. Some more changes. I'm going to save it, close it, and then desktop. I'm going to run this. Take a while. Okay, now go to the same document, and you've seen history. So we have auto sync commit again. So if you click here, you've seen some more changes. So those being reflected on the online repository as well. So that's something I would like to share with you people. Thank you very much for showing your patience and staying with me. I'm ending the recording.